Hey everybody, One Empire here. Today I've got a 3-minute ramen that I cooked for 3 hours in this, the Hot Logic Mini. It's kind of like a little crock pot that doesn't get too hot. You can even put plastic in there and it won't melt, but it keeps food above 165 degrees so it cooks meat from raw, nice and safe, and doesn't overcook most meats. The carrots were pre-boiled, so that's kind of cheating, but I cooked one packet of the ramen that was obviously overcooked. It soaked up all the water and got huge and too soft, but that pre-cooked chicken was set on top and it came out just nice. Now the eggs were cooked pretty well. I cooked them in the shell, raw, right on the hot plate next to the container that had the ramen, and that's what it looks like. That half of the egg is up for the first 2 hours, and I flipped it over to try and get even cooking, but the 1 hour wasn't enough to get that white totally firm. Somehow the yolk was just fine, and kind of an indicator of that is that black spot. Next time maybe you do it in water. Anyway, the ramen turned out pretty good, aside from the soft noodles. That's it for now. One Empire, signing off. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.